Harebells, Bella, rotundifolia, are delicate and charming wildflowers that grace gardens and natural landscapes with their bell-shaped blooms. If you're interested in cultivating these lovely plants, here's a comprehensive guide to Harebell plant care and growing. Plant overview. Harebells, also known as bluebells of Scotland, are perennial wildflowers, native to various regions, including North America, Europe, and Asia. They feature slender stems adorned with small blue or violet, bell-shaped flowers. Planting site with well-draining soil and partial to full sunlight. Harebells can tolerate light shade, but they thrive in areas that receive ample sunlight. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil by adding organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. This helps improve soil structure and fertility while aiding drainage. Planting harebells. Plant harebell seeds in the spring or early summer. Scatter the seeds over the prepared soil and lightly press them into the surface. Water gently to settle the seeds in place. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist until the harebell plants are established. Once they are growing well, they can tolerate periods of drier soil. Mulching. Apply a thin layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants to help retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Avoid mulching directly over the planting area. Care and maintenance. Deadheading. Remove spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Pruning. After the growing season, you can trim back any dead foliage to tidy up the plants. Division. Harebells can be divided every few years to rejuvenate the plants and promote healthier growth. Attracting wildlife. Harebells attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. The seeds also provide food for birds. Companion planting. Plant harebells alongside other native wildflowers and perennials to create a natural and diverse garden ecosystem. Naturalizing and wild gardens. Harebells are well suited for naturalizing and wild garden areas. Their dainty blooms bring a touch of elegance to informal landscapes. Appreciating the beauty. Take time to observe and appreciate the delicate beauty of harebell flowers, which add a touch of charm to any garden setting. Collecting seeds. After the flowers fade, seed pods will form. Allow them to dry on the plant, then collect and store the seeds for future propagation. Winter care. Harebells are hardy perennials. In colder climates, they will die back in the winter and regrow in the spring. By following these guidelines, you can successfully grow and care for harebells, enjoying their graceful blooms and contributing to the beauty and diversity of your garden landscape.